Motivation is this thing that everybody's trying to capture, this lightning in a bottle, so to speak. But is it really? In this video, I'll break motivation down into its 3 major parts and tell you how you can harness them to make amazing creations. So let's hop into it. As I said before, motivation is made up of 3 parts. Without one of these, you may fail to act on inspiration or make work that isn't actually meaningful to you. As I just alluded to, the first of these is inspiration. For some people, this is the easy part. For others, this is the part that is the most difficult for them. How do you decide what to create? Where do the ideas come from? An important step here is writing down the ideas as soon as you have them, because inspiration doesn't stick around. Many times, an unfortunate amount of times if I'm being honest, I've had an awesome idea and told myself, there's no way I'll forget this. And then by the time I get home, the idea's gone. Instead, what I like to do is put all my ideas down in the Notes app in my phone. And if you can't do that, even just writing one word on a piece of paper can be enough to jog your memory so that you remember that amazing idea that you had. That way, when you sit down to create artwork, you have a list of ideas of things that you might want to work on. Part 2 is passion. It's the why behind your creations. It's what pushes you to become a better artist. Without passion, you don't care about what you're making, and you might not have any drive to actually improve. This can happen if you're creating for the wrong reason, like making something just to post it on social media, or if you're creating in a way that is not fulfilling to you. It's great to draw digitally if that's what you enjoy, but if you really like to paint, then maybe focus more on that. There's no right or wrong way to do art. There are tons of different mediums. For instance, my mother-in-law does wood burning, which I think is beautiful and super cool, but it's not something that I would enjoy doing. Consider switching mediums, styles, or subjects for your art. It might be the right thing for you. The final part of motivation is routine. This is the one I see most people failing to implement with their art, and the one that is most important for creating. Inspiration is fleeting, it doesn't last long, and it's like trying to catch smoke in your hands. Routine is the way to harness that inspiration. Set a time to draw every day, even if it's just 5 minutes. If it's the 5 minutes before bed, or the 5 minutes right after you get off work, great! Everybody has 5 minutes in their day. Even if it feels like a chore the first several times, just sit down and make something. Try and create at the same time every day to make this strategy most effective. If you don't know what to draw, check the ideas that you wrote down earlier in the day. Pick something that you actually care about making, something that you're excited to create. You can make it more enjoyable by getting a drink that you really like. You could burn a candle that you like the smell of. You could put on your favorite music. This creates a habit, and soon you'll be putting your inspiration on hold instead of letting it fade away. I hope you found this helpful. If you enjoyed this, you can subscribe for more videos every other week. Thanks for watching. Bye!